back to HOMELAB Networks. My name is AJ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Heimdall through Portainer. Heimdall is just a basic bookmarks for your internet pages and all your websites you use. You can just put them into one web page and it's just easy access, and it's better than the old-fashioned bookmarks. So you need Portainer to install this. If you don't have that installed, I'll have a video linked up here somewhere so you can watch it and install Portainer yourself. So once Portainer is installed, click on local containers, and this is where all your containers are stored, and you see if they're up and running. So your next step, I will have a link in the description, but you just want to go to dockerhub. Can't spell it. So again, this will be linked in the description, so you just click that link and it'll take you straight here. Pull command to get Heimdall up and running. So all you have to do is copy Linux server Heimdall, copy that, go back to your Portainer, click add container, and then where it says docker.io, paste that text there. And then what I do to make life easier is I just publish network ports to random host ports. It pretty much just does the hard work for you and just gives the address a random port number, so you don't have to configure it. Once done, just hit deploy container. This may take a little bit, like a few minutes if it's the first time doing this, but theoretically that's all we need to do. Success. So container has been successfully created. Now let's see if it's telling the truth. So what you need to do is down here where it says your Linux server Heimdall container here, it's giving you a port number. Now from memory, it's normally the first one here. If not, it'd be the second one. So whatever your IP address is for your Portainer, you're gonna copy that IP address, and then the port number is this one here. So 768. Bad request. So all that means is we need to add in https:// There we go, connection's not private, we don't have the SSL certificate, that's fine. And there we go, that's Heimdall installed. How easy it is to use Portainer instead of just running like Docker commands straight from the command line. Portainer just does the hard work for you, and it's done in 2 seconds. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, consider subscribing if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.